Yes. One, like this is already here. So one you can rotate it here and then here. Yes. One, like for example, this one will come this side and another this one will come this side. That's it. Only 2 times. Yes, everybody. Now the second one also you can rotate it 2 times only. This one will come this side and then this side. Done? Yes. And for this triangle, how many times you can rotate? 3 times. Right? 1 and then 2 and then 3. Yes. The next one you can rotate because it has 4. So 4 times.
Ma'am, the E1 is also 4.
E1 is 4
Four.
times. Yes.
Ma'am,
F1. 1,
ma'am,
2, 5
5
sides are there. 5. Yes.
5.
And this one,
6 times.
time and last one,
Ma'am, 3 times.
because 1, 2, and 3. So 3 times. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody? Okay. So that's it for today, students. Okay. We'll meet in the next class and we'll continue. Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Halima. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Okay. Let's just wait for others to join, then we'll start. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
What we were doing in the previous class?
Ma'am, in the previous class, we were in the fifth
The
question.
temperature one something, no?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we were doing the integers,
Yes.
positive and the negative.
Hmm.
Ma'am, the first answer was minus 10 degree, right?
Let me just open it and check.
पूरा मेहनत को विक्टिम प्ले करने वाले आओ आगो खाना खाओ
Okay, students, we were doing this one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
The
so let's
place
get
and the
started.
temperature.
So you people finished this? Everybody finished this or anyone who is still writing or still doing?
Ma'am, first, I mean,
Okay, I'll just wait for 1 minute. So those who didn't finish in the last class, you can complete it. Okay.
okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I did not understood the plotting one. Plot the name of the city against system.
So whatever you are getting here, for example, Saichin is this. Whatever it is, you have to mark it here. That, for example, this is Saichin. Clear?
Ma'am, that's the answer for that.
Yes. So others you have to do on your own.
Ma'am, should I draw the thing?
Yes.
Okay.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
You have to finish this, the last question which we did, and then after 1 minute we'll discuss the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, coolest place means above. Like, is it positive or negative?
Negative.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, I hope everybody has done now. We can discuss the answers, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So for the first one, So let's just first write the temperatures here. Okay, so
Ma'am,
it will be minus 10.
plotted on the desk.
Ma'am, minus
Ma'am,
2.
minus 2 degree, plus 30, and
Ma'am,
plus
plus 20.
20,
Ma'am, minus 5.
minus 5. Minus 5.
Yes. So we did the second one following this. So minus 10 was here. Minus 2
Good
is
afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon.
Ma'am, after
Minus 2
the
will be
0,
here.
yeah,
1 here. Okay. Then plus 30 this. Plus 20
yes,
here. And negative 5
plus,
here.
mm,
Yes.
yes.
Now which is the coolest place?
Ma'am, minus 10 degree. Yeah, minus 10 degree. No, minus 2 degree, ma'am.
Think. Think
Hmm.
about. I'm giving time to everybody. Think about it.
Ma'am, plus 30 degree.
Think about it, students. I can give you one hint. The one hint is that the answer would be negative. Okay, rest is your call. How
Ma'am,
you,
minus 2 degree.
okay. Anyone else? Siachen will be this because this is minus 10. Okay. Minus 2 is here. Then minus 10 will come. Okay. The lower the value, the greater the temperature is. So over here in, just remember one thing. The lower the temperature, the greater is it is cool. Clear? So over here
Yes,
2
ma'am.
is smaller or 10?
2.
2.
In negative
10,
it is
10, 10, 10.
opposite.
Ma'am,
Huh.
10, 10.
10.
Yes. So Siachen.
Ma'am, so, yes.
Okay. Now this
See?
one, write the
Siachen.
name of a place where temperature are above 10.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Ahmedabad and Delhi.
Yes, correct. Very good. Okay, now let's just get back to the questions. Sixth one, let's see how you people do it.
6, 1.
In each of the following
Uh,
pair, write which number is to the right to other on the number line. Okay, 2 or 9 like this. Right means this side. This side.
Ma'am, I don't understand.
You have to draw it in a number line.
Oh,
For example, this. Then no need to draw it basically. If you want to draw it, it's your choice. Like 1, 2, 3, 9 will come. So in this case, which number is on the right side of which number is
oh,
on
ma'am.
right side? 2 or
Okay.
9?
Okay.
Automatically 9.
Ma'am, it's
Values
9.
are good, right?
Yes. A is 9.
Okay, ma'am.
B is done, ma'am.
Let's just wait for others.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think everyone is done.
Okay,
Yeah, ma'am.
everybody is done? Okay. So first one I already taught.
Ma'am, can I
Second
do
one?
the second one?
Yes.
Ma'am, -8.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I do the third one?
Yes.
Ma'am, 0.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I
next one
take?
is 10.
Huh. Then 10. Next.
Ma'am, 6.
Okay. Next.
Ma'am, 1.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Next.
1.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Next.
that's all.
Okay. Good. Very good. I hope everybody is getting it. Anyone who is not getting these questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay. I hope everybody is becoming
No,
smart
ma'am.
day by day. You people have your test as well, na? Revision test. You people got it?
Yes.
Ma'am, my school did not start yet.
No. In Learnivio you have, no? The revision test.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now. Okay. Write all the integers between the given pairs and write them in increasing order.
Ma'am, so we have to like make the number line and then
Yes.
do it?
And then write it in the increasing order.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, like how?
See, between 0 and -7, how many numbers are there?
Okay.
Hmm,
In
then,
the number line. And then you
yes.
are supposed to do it in
Like 0
increasing
to
order.
-7. The numbers are here and you have to then write it into ascending order. Okay?
Okay. Like the small to big.
Ma'am, I've sent something in the chat.
I didn't get it. I think you have shared to the Learnivio, not to me.
Uh, ma'am, now?
Yes. Now I got it, numbers. Okay, let me just read it. Yes, correct. You have to name them as well. Okay.
Ma'am, like positive or negative?
No. For example, the numbers between 0 to -7, all of them you have to write in the ascending order.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, everybody is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So who will tell me the answer for the first one?
Ma'am, can I?
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, from -1 to -6.
Hmm. Yes. -1 to -6 you wrote like this in the ascending order?
No, ma'am.
Then how we wrote it?
Ma'am, like -1, then -2, then -3,
Hmm.
then -4, then -5, then -6.
Okay, everybody?
Ma'am, which answer is she saying?
First one.
Ma'am, but it is written 0 and -7, right?
Huh?
Ma'am, but I wrote it like 0, then -1, then -2, then -3, then -4, -5, and -6, and -6.
So now ascending order. How would you write it? -6?
minus 5, minus 4.
Like this. Because in negative, the smallest number is the biggest number, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
See? Anyone who did this mistake in this? Huh?
Mommy.
Why? Okay. Now the next one, who will tell me?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, minus 4 and 4. It is like minus 4. Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then and then minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, and minus
4. Students, think about it.
Ma'am, can I try?
Huh?
Ma'am, like minus 4.
Hmm.
Ma'am, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Then 1, then 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, 0, 1, 2, 3.
Yes. Now over here, let me just draw it for you people. Why you people are so confused? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Then 1, 2, and 3. So the in the ascending order, it would be first negative 3.
Ma'am, minus 3, then minus 2, minus 1,
Minus
0, then 1, 2,
0,
3.
1, 2, 3.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now from 8 to 15, you will start from 8, then 9, then 10. But when you will start in ascending order, it will start from minus 4.
So minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 9.
Minus 8.
Okay. Now next one also, I think you people can start.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Minus 23, it will meant
Ma'am, minus 23, minus 24. Ma'am, we start from minus 24, right?
No, you will start from
Ma'am, minus
Ma'am,
29, minus
minus
28, minus
29.
27, minus 26, minus 25, minus 24.
correct. Everybody?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Now let us come to the next one. Here you go.
Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 10.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, for the B1, it is saying write 4 integers less than minus 10. So, integers needs to be in negative or positive?
Negative only.
Finished, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, everybody finished?
Yes.
Okay, so let's just
Ma'am, can I say the first answer? Ma'am, minus 24, minus 23, minus 22, and minus 21.
Aha, very good. Yes, Salman
Ma'am,
correct.
greater
Salman correct.
greater than
Greater, students, greater. So 21
ma-
cannot be greater. Minus 19, minus 18, minus 17.
It's the same answer I wrote. 19
Yes,
minus
Salman is
19 minus
correct.
18.
Ma'am, so the second one will be like -9, -8, -7,
Yes,
minus 8,
-6.
minus
yes.
7, minus 6.
In negative, you behave negatively. Clear? Like the number which looks is greater is always smaller. Okay. That's why it is negative. Everything is negative. Everything is opposite. Okay. Will you repeat this mistake?
I did not.
Others, you will repeat? Tell me yes or no. Now it's clear to everybody that whenever they ask negative, you
Yes,
are in
ma'am.
6th grade now. They will not ask you the numbers greater than 20. So that you can write 21, 20 to 23. Okay, that's why they've given negative here because now they are giving you twist. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now let's just come to the next one, 9th one. Quickly do this.
Ma'am, I finished.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in C1, it is saying that smallest negative number is -1. It's not true, right?
No. Is this smallest? This is the biggest, largest number. Because in negative, the smallest looking number is always greatest and the greatest
Always
looking number is
greater.
largest.
So, ma'am, it is written that if the statement is false, correct the statement. So, I can write any of the number, right?
Yes.
Which is okay.
Infinity. Any negative number.
Ma'am, in the D1, minus 26 is greater than minus 25. Ma'am, this one is
False.
Yes.
false, ma'am, because minus 26 is greater, smaller.
Yes. So you will write this is false. Minus 25 is greater than minus 26.
Minus 26.
Yes, Salman.
Ma'am,
you are-
Ma'am, I finished.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can I
everybody
say
has
the
finished?
first answer?
Ma'am, finished.
Ma'am, can I say the second one?
Yes, first one. Tell me.
Ma'am, minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on a number line. Ma'am,
Correct.
it's false. Ma'am, it is always to the left.
Oh, are you serious?
Ma'am,
you
it's true.
0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus
Ma'am,
8, and then minus 10 comes.
minus,
It is always right.
Ma'am, can I say the second one?
So it is true. Okay. Here.
yes,
Ma'am, can I do the second one?
Yes.
Minus 100 is to the right of minus 50 on a number line. Ma'am, false.
Yes.
It's to
Because
the
it is
left.
10. Yes. The smallest negative number is?
ma'am,
Ma'am,
minus
it's
10.
false. That is the biggest negative number.
And you have to correct it. So you will
Greatest.
write
One is the
largest
greatest.
negative number is or the greatest.
Greatest negative integer is
negative.
minus 1.
Yes. And then over here, this is also false.
Ma'am, here it's minus 25
False.
is greater than minus
5
26.
is greater.
Correct. Very good. Now let's just come to the next question. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Here you go.
Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am,
Done, ma'am.
after everyone is done, can I say the first answer?
Ma'am, and can I say the second one?
Anyone who asked some question?
Ma'am, I said after everyone is done, can I say the first answer?
Ma'am,
Yes.
and can I say the second one?
Okay. Tell me the first one.
Ma'am, first one is which number will be reached if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? Ma'am, plus 2.
Yes, correct. Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Second one, which number will you reach if you move 5 number to the left of 1?
Ma'am, you'll reach minus 4.
Correct. If we are at negative 8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach negative?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
we have to
west.
move left.
Yes. And D1, if you are in negative 6, so which number
Ma'am.
have it?
Right.
Ma'am, we have to move right.
Yes, correct. Very good. Okay, now let's just come to the next exercise. Okay, now the difficulty will be there, not difficulty basically. You have to learn few things. That's it. Okay. Okay. You have to finish this exercise. Now let's just move to the next examples. Okay, using the number line, write the integer which 4 more than -1 and 5 less than 3. Can you do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say the first one?
Hmm.
Ma'am, 4 more than -1 is -5.
Ma'am, it's 3.
Yes.
Ma'am,
4 more.
Ma'am, can I see the
So-
second one?
Wait. Let me just clarify the first one. -1 is here. So now the numbers which are more will always
Okay,
there. Na?
ma'am.
This will be less. Yes.
So, ma'am, 5.
Remember this one. You move right, always add. And when you move down, it becomes negative. Okay.
So, ma'am, 5 less than 3 is -4.
5 less than 3 would be
-4. One minute, ma'am.
Is it 2?
Yes. Okay. See. I'm doing it here both the parts. Everybody look at here.
It's minus.
Wait. I'll do the first one and then I will do the second one. Okay. It was 4 more than -1. So -1 here, right? Then 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 like this. Okay. It's more. So obviously you will draw this side. Now how much? 4. So how many steps you will jump? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You reach here. Okay, so the answer is 3. Now for the B1, 0, 1, 2, 3. It was less. So basically you will start from here. -1, -2, -3, -4 like this. 3 it was, 5 less than. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So -2 is the answer.
-2.
Clear?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now everybody got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how did you got
Ma'am,
minus
so if
2
it's
on the
Ma'am, so if they say more,
B1?
you have to move right, and if they say
Yes.
less, you have to move
Correct.
left.
Correct. Yes. Anybody said something? How you got?
Ma'am, I said that in the B1,
Huh?
how did you got -2?
5 less than 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, ma'am.
This one is less. This side, left side is always less. L is for left and L is for less. And right side is for addition. Like more. Okay. So from here you
Yes, ma'am.
jumped left side because it was less than. In this case you jumped right side because it was more than. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will teach you some signs. Okay, not science, signs. Okay, this one. Okay. So when two positive numbers come together, they become positive. When
Yes,
two
ma'am.
negative come together, they also become positive.
Become positive.
And one negative, one positive. Negative?
Ma'am,
Negative.
Okay, one negative?
Negative.
Negative. Quickly write it
Negative.
in the notebook, then I will give you the question.
Mom, I've learned this before.
Okay, nice. But others,
Ma'am,
please
even
write it down, then I will give
ma'am,
you the
this
question.
was in my holiday homework.
Oh, so you completed your holiday homework. From when your schools are reopening?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
this
August end.
Monday.
Okay, so near
Ma'am,
about.
tomorrow.
Oh,
Tomorrow is
yeah. In my other batch also, most of the students' school are starting from tomorrow. And some of like day after tomorrow, some are from next week. Okay, quickly write
Mine is
down.
after 5 days.
You are after?
5 days.
Oh, so you are like waiting for it, or you're like, oh my god, again the same process, going to school and all that. You people enjoy it, school, going to school, or it's like, no.
Mom, I like going to school.
Okay, Hana likes. What about Manas, Halima, and Salman?
I don't have any.
ma'am, I like to go.
Mom, but the worst part is getting up in early morning.
That's no matter how much time you sleep, but the morning sleep is something nobody can beat. It's
Yeah.
even if people are like sleep in afternoon or something like that, I'm like, no. Morning is something where the people like the sweetest sleep we get, the most
Yes, ma'am.
comfortable, and we don't feel like others. Once you reach school, everything is fine. We enjoy. But the most
Yes,
difficult
ma'am.
part is getting up, getting ready, early morning. Even in summers, it's like okay. But in winters,
Mom, in summers we're
Ma'am,
here.
morning
Mom,
sleep
here
is sweet sleep.
coming back home during summer is horrible here.
yeah, it's like even in India, like it is horrible. Like the people are like in bus when it's too horrible. But I'm talking about, in the morning. So in summers, it's okay. In morning, somehow it's okay as compared to winter. But in winters, when we have our blankets, we don't feel like coming out and going to
Yeah.
bath and taking bath and shower and all that. It's really difficult in winters.
Yes, ma'am.
So, but that's the entire process. You have 6 more years to go. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Then also in university also, you have to like until unless see waking up early in the morning is a ritual for everybody. No matter you are student, no matter you are working. Even I go to my office, I have to wake up. I have to go. Even the people who are when I was in college, I used to wake up. I used to go college. So we have to wake up no matter what.
Ma'am,
But
moms also have to wake up.
yeah, our moms, we even get some holidays or something like that, but our moms don't have any holidays. They are working 24/7 with us, for us. They have to wake up. Even everybody, like our fathers also goes to office. They also wake up. I have my younger brother. They also like right now. I have work from home, so I am not waking that early. But yeah, I have to wake because they have to go school, and I need to just instruct them do this, do that. So somehow my mom is like, no, you have to wake up with them only. So I can understand the pain. So now it's like getting back to school. First week you will feel like the most horrible because right now I think you must be, enjoying and all that, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
and we'll also get used
Yes.
to sleeping late, so we have to sleep early every day. That will be
Yes,
hard.
that's the challenging part. Okay, now coming to this one, you will solve this. Try solving this, then I'll tell.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, should I tell you like some hint? Okay,
Yeah,
let
ma'am.
me do this one for you. Others you can do. So first thing, whenever there are two signs coming together, you will solve it. So for example, negative and plus plus plus. Then
Ma'am, like Kodmas.
yes, the brackets. If two signs are coming together, you have to first solve them. After that, you will solve the other part. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
6 and then plus 3. Then we solved all the parts, and now it is like that. Now basically, what I do, I make a pair. These two and these two. Okay. So one is
Yes,
negative 4 and over here plus and minus. See, one number is negative, one number is positive. So what should you do?
ma'am. So we will subtract.
Subtract. Because one is negative, so we will subtract. From 9, if you will subtract 4, you will get 5. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Ma'am, then
who is
6
greater,
plus
9
3.
or 4? Who is
Ma'am,
greater?
9
So which sign you will put here? Negative.
minus. Yeah.
Okay. Now here,
Ma'am, then in this minus and plus are there, so we'll subtract 6 minus 3. We'll get 3 minus 3. So now plus minus is equal to plus. So 5 plus 3 is 8.
wait, you did it wrong. See, plus
Ma'am,
minus you got 3 here. Now who is
Yeah,
greater,
ma'am.
6 or 3?
6.
ma'am,
You will
6.
You will put negative. Okay,
So yeah, ma'am.
clear?
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
add them, right?
Yes, and now you have minus 5
8.
and minus 3. So minus, what you need to do? Add. So
Add
5,
Add 8.
8. And who is greater, 5 or 3?
5.
Ma'am, minus 8.
Yes. Got it,
Okay, ma'am.
everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Others, you are getting it? Halima, Salman, Hana,
Yes.
Manha, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So quickly write down
Ma'am,
this.
if there is minus 5
Ma'am, I
and
already
minus
wrote
3,
it.
then it will be minus 8 only, right?
Sorry. Pardon.
Ma'am, if there will be 5 plus 3, then we are supposed to,
You
right?
must plus minus. So you will write 6. And who is greater? 9. So negative 6.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everybody quickly write down this once you are done.
Ma'am, I wrote.
Okay. Start doing this one. So sorry, I just.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, let me just erase one.
Ma'am, there's no sign on the first one.
Where? Yeah, so no, it is positive. Always. The number which
Okay.
doesn't have a sign, let me just paste it again. I just erased it by mistakenly. What's wrong? Sometimes my writing type behaves so weird.
Ma'am, there's an extra sign in between.
Extra sign where?
Ma'am, there in between.
No, you will put it here, na? You will first solve these signs. Over
So,
here
ma'am,
also you
first.
have these two sign, na? So what you did? You made it plus minus plus. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Ma'am, done. Ma'am,
Everybody,
can I see the answer?
let me solve
Yes.
it. Wait. Let me solve it for everybody, na, because it's a new concept for you people. So let me do the honors. So 30 minus 23 minus 63 plus 55. So over here, from 30, if you will subtract 23, you will get,
Ma'am, 7.
and here,
Ma'am, so -7.
here you will get
Ma'am, 8.
8. Yes. Minus
So
8.
ma'am, -7, -8.
Not minus 7. Why minus 7? Who is greater, 30 or 23?
Ma'am, 23.
23 is
Ma'am,
greater.
30. Ma'am, 30.
This is not. Okay. So now the answer is 1. Minus 1 because 8 is greater,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Ma'am, I got that answer.
Correct. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will give you one question where this is not a cupcake. You have to make the question like this and then you have to solve it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So here you go. In this case, they have not given you. You have to, I'll do the first step for you. Minus 10 plus 92 plus 84 plus negative 50. Now solve it and do it.
Done, ma'am.